and welcome back to ALH Success Lines Wellness and Lifestyle channel. My name is Angela, and in this beauty edition, I am going to share with you something I did not think I would do. And that is DIY nails. So sit back, relax, and if you're not subscribed to my channel, I would love to have you, so subscribe. If you're not following me on Instagram, follow me there as well. And let's get started. So prior to recent events, I would get my nails done routinely every 2 weeks. And of course, I would go to a nail salon. However, due to recent events, I have had to resort to doing my nails on my own. And in previous years, I've given it a try without luck because the nails would just stay on for a day or so and pop off at the most inconvenient time. So I was through with it. But then in watching one of my favorite YouTubers, her name is Brittany Vassar. She's a delightful woman. I love her videos. She just did a video and it's called New DIY Easy Fake Nails at Home, under $7. And so I watched the video. So she said, generally speaking, her nails would last about 3 weeks. And I said to myself, if that could happen, that would change my life. So I did everything she said, and the first tip was to buy the Kiss nails. So I purchased these from Target. And then she also said the glue, the kit was okay, but I also purchased the Kiss glue. And then she had a 100 grit nail file, so I had this as well. So in her video, she gave step-by-step instructions as it relates to applying the nails. First step, she said, of course, you clean your hands and you take your file and you file your original nail. And she said this is the key to allow the fake nail to adhere to your nail and for it to last. So I did it. So she said to file about 6 times, and I did it on each nail, the original nail. The second step was to rub a little alcohol on the nail to clean it from any bacteria. I did that as well. When you take your fake nail, she said to apply at least 2 drops on the nail itself and then 2 drops on your original nail. And then you adhere the fake nail to your nail and you hold it. Now I held it for about 30 seconds. So something she said that was very important is you have to make sure you do not put your hands in water for an extended amount of time. So something she said that was very important is you have to make sure you do not put your hands in water for an extended amount of time. I made sure to follow her instructions to the T. Now, these nails look amazing. They look as if I got these nails done at a nail salon. And I'm here to tell you, for the first time, my nails are still on. Thanks so much for watching, and I hope this will inspire you to DIY your nails. Thank you.